Hi everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to determine the types of roots of a quadratic equation. Now, to determine the type of root of a quadratic equation, it is important for us to know that the discriminant is used to determine the type of root of that quadratic equation. But before I explain this, please hit the subscribe button so that you will not miss out my videos in the next lesson. Now, let me go further. The formula method used to solve the quadratic equation is x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over what? Over 2a. The special part under the roots of this quadratic formula is called the discriminant, that is d. So the discriminant is equals to b squared minus 4ac. So this discriminant is used to determine the type of what? Of root of a quadratic equation. Now these are the conditions. When the discriminant is greater than 0, the type of root we are going to get is real and what? And distinct what? Roots. When the discriminant is equal to 0, you're going to get real and what? And equal roots. Sometimes it is called repeated roots. Then lastly, when the discriminant is less than 0, then we are going to have what we call the complex or the imaginary roots that do not have real what? Solution. Now the real and the imaginary root is in this form. You can have 2 plus or minus I3 and so on. So this is called a complex what? Root. Now let's go further. Let's take an example. If you are given a quadratic equation, say x squared plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0, and that you should determine the type of roots you are going to get, just simply apply your discriminant, the conditions I gave to you. So the discriminant is equals to b squared minus what? 4ac. Now, from the quadratic equation given, our a, the coefficient of x squared is 1, for our b is 4, then our c is 3. Then you plug in the values into this discriminant, which is d is equal to, our b is 4, this one 2 minus 4 times 1 times what? Times 3. So by the time you simplify, 4 squared will be 16 minus 4 times 1 times 3 is 12. So we have minus what? 12. Therefore, 16 minus 12 is what? Is 4. Therefore, our D, which is discriminant, is what? Is 4. And from our condition, we said that when D is greater than 0, it means that the type of root you are going to get is real and what? And distinct. Therefore, D is greater than 0. What it means is that our D is 4. So 4 actually is what? Is greater than 0. It means that we are going to get real and distinct what? Roots. So anytime you are given a quadratic equation and you can quickly determine the type of roots by just using this discriminant. You already know the type of root you are going to get at the end of the day. So if you find this video helpful, remember to hit the subscribe button so that you will see more of my interesting videos.